Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Grace to Create. I'm getting ready to record a sponsored behind the scenes video. I'm so excited to take you guys along this journey and process. I'm so excited for this hair that I'm about to use. Like, I've never used this type of hair before. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm excited to take you guys behind the scenes. This is going to be a very quick episode just because I don't really have to do much to my hair. All I have to do is just braid my hair and that's it. And then just throw in a wig because I will be using a wig for this video. So I'm super excited to take you guys along the process. Carol sent me a glueless wig to try on. Super excited to try it on for you guys. It's not sponsored on my YouTube channel, but it is sponsored on my short form, which is TikTok. So if you guys really love me, I would really appreciate it if you guys would just go over to my TikTok and just like the video. Simple, like, will help you girl out to continue to, you know, create more videos like this. And so let's just get started. Let's get started. So I'm not gonna show short form me braiding my hair. Gotta braid our hair. We can't just have our hair out. We have to braid it or else it's not gonna look right. So just gonna do doodle braids. No, nothing too crazy, nothing too major. I think she gotta pee, so I'm about to go take her to pee right quick. I'm gonna go take her to pee because she's crying. And I'll take Chevy out to pee too as well. BRB.
Father, Alpha Omega, my maker, almighty one. I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve. It's about that time I take a deep dive and I go all in. Faith like I'm walking on water, I better not fall in. Yeah, I'ma keep my eyes on you. Seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need. And I give you all of me. You come first, more.
Alrighty, my hair is all twisted up / braided up. And I think I'm supposed to make of course 2 videos, but I believe I'm supposed to make a installment video and then a hairstyle video. My nose itch, oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I think I'm supposed to make 2 videos, installment video and then a hairstyling video. So I'm super excited to see how this wig is going to look, you guys. I've never worn any type of glueless wig. Like, I'm a half wig queen, girly girl, you know. I love my bento knots in the front and then my half wig in the back, braid design in the front, half wig in the back. So I'm super excited to try on this glueless. Wait, is this a glueless half wig? I think so. I don't know, I gotta double check. But I could kind of just show you guys the behind the scenes. So it comes in a box when you first get it. Don't mind this because this has been sitting in my room for almost a week now. So when you open it, boom, you're gonna see a package, right? And this is the only thing that it comes with, just a box. And then this, right? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I want to open it with my short form, so let me pull up what I'm supposed to do first, so I'm just not like recording anything, you know what I mean? And then yeah, I'm gonna come back to you guys. BRB. Carol sent me a half wig. Carol sent me a Carol sent me a oh, okay, I have to act normal, okay? Act normal, just act normal. I don't think I'm gonna talk because this was just cringe. Like, I'm just, yeah. We're going to do this. Boom. Boom. Oh, jeez. Ouch. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. I'm super excited to try this on, you guys. I've never worn like a wig before, so I'm super excited to see how it looks. This is a curly bang wig from Curls. I'm so excited. Like, this is all you have to do. Just shake it out, and then just throw it on, and that's really it. You don't gotta do too much. You feel me? So first of all, how do you even put it on? Okay, so this is the front. Let's put it on. Should have said large because my head big, girl. Tight. My head big. Wow, you just put it on. Should have said large because my head is big. Whoa. Wait, you gotta play around with it. You gotta fluff it out. You gotta fluff it out tight. Whoa. And just like that, you could... Let me get my pig. Just like that, you good to go. Good to go. Just fluff it out, you know? I gotta just fluff it out to your liking. Whoa. This is so cute. And all I did was just literally, as y'all seen, I just threw it on. I didn't really do too much. But you gotta, of course, like, you gotta play around with it. Let me spray it just to get the curls activated. Get the girls activated. Tight. I gotta stop saying tight. I mean, I don't even say tight in my everyday vocabulary. This is so cute. Y'all seen it. You don't gotta do too much. Oh, way too cute. Way too cute, guys. Way too cute. Oh. And you feel me? A little bit goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna be my everyday wear. It's gonna be my everyday wear. Don't mind my dogs. Girl, this is too cute. Stop it. Stop it right now. Whoa. I am loving this look. Y'all just seen, like, I just put it on and that was it. I ain't even have to do a lot to achieve this. Like, this is too cute. Y'all, this wig is very, very, very cute, you guys. I've never done a hairstyle like this, so I'm gonna let it dry and then come back when it's all dried up, because I look like a wet dog right now, so BRB. I am back. The hair is all dried and now I'm getting ready to style it for the second video. But y'all let me know how you guys feel about this. As you guys seen, all I did was just put it on. I didn't really do nothing too major. I thought I was gonna have to do like a lot, but all you do is literally just throw it on and I freaking love it. And I'm just super excited to style it. Like, there's just so many different ways to style it. And I got a size medium, and I thought that I needed a size large, just because I think my head is big, but I don't know. But a medium fits perfectly. It's not causing any headache or anything. So if you have my head shape, if your head is shaped like an egg, you need a size medium in this half wig. Wait, no, I'm so used to promoting half wigs. This is a full-on wig, and I just love how you can just throw it on, bro. Like, stop it. Like, all you have to do is just throw it on. Like, no one is going to notice. No one is going to be like, oh, that's not your real hair. Oh, that's not your real hair. What? They're not gonna be like, oh, that's not your real hair. Real. They're not gonna be like, oh, that's not your real hair. Like, nobody's gonna notice at all unless they really like know you for real, like, personally. But like, other than that, like, girl, all you do is just throw it on. That's it. And yeah, I'm about to make the second video. About to change my shirt just so just so I can just change up the look. But yeah, I don't know what style I'm gonna do, because like, it's just so many ways that you could style this. Like, I don't know. Can you do a side part? I don't know. I'm not sure. Can you do a side part type? I don't know. What they doing? What y'all doing? I better not be peeing in my room. This is Chevy, and I don't think she's gonna let me pick her up. Nah, she's not going for it. This is Chevy. This is Chevy. He is so big compared to Tula. He wants to get down. Say hello. Say hello. Chevy, say hi. This is the boy. Look how long he is, right? Compared to other dogs though, like pit bulls and stuff like that, he love. But compared to her, his sister, anyways, I'm trying to figure out what style I want to do. I'm about to change out my, like I said, shirt, and then just, yeah. Anyways, I want to do more videos like these, you guys. Hey, no. I want to start to do more videos, well, no, promote like more wigs like these, just because it's so easy to put on. And that's really it. You know, you don't gotta do too much. But I gotta figure out a style to do, girly. What you thinking? I'm thinking like 2 ponytails type, and then I could put like a flower type, and then, you feel me? All right. I'm gonna stop talking. All right, BRB. Alrighty. just changed my shirt. Now I'm just gonna redo my lip gloss. I actually have on a dress. It's a bit showing my little putas. It's showing my little putas just a little bit. So like I'm trying to like see if I want to clip it. Like I want it to fit like this. I don't want my little cleat glass to show, you feel me? I am so like ecstatic. I am grateful and I am elated. I didn't know this was going to be this cute. Like I didn't know that this was going to be too cute. Anyways, you guys can't see my puta, so I'm not going to show it. But I'm gonna, like I said, I'm about to redo my lip gloss. For my lip combo, my everyday lip combo, I'm always wearing the NYX NYX Loud Liner in the shade Rebel Kind. This liner is going to keep you lasted all day. Now I feel like with this liner, it definitely depends on what type of lip gloss that you use for it to stay on all day. But the lip gloss that I use is from Ulta Beauty. It's the $5 lip gloss. If I can find it, I'll put it on the screen. But I want to refresh my lip for this look. I'm excited to style my hair. I don't know what style that we are going to do. Yeah, when it comes to my hairstyles, like I just be doing honestly whatever. Like seriously, like that exotic hairstyle video that I did like 3 years ago. I just came up with that like on a dome, like off the dome. Not trying to sound cocky or anything, but let me find my sharpener. You guys, my bathroom is like so dirty. I'm gonna show you guys. No, it's not. Well, I definitely do need to I need to tighten up in here tight. You feel me? Oh my goodness. I'm probably gonna, I need a sharpener. I can't find my sharpener. But I guess I'm gonna just, let me put you guys closely. Yeah, I used to, okay, this is very like off topic, but I used to have like a huge, I don't know what this is called. Maybe this is a blackhead. I am not sure. My lips are looking. Anyways, I used to have a huge blackhead, or we're gonna just call it a mole. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. Is it going too focus? Y'all, I need a sharpener. Don't mind my nose. I need a sharpener. I'm gonna find my sharpener and then I'm gonna be back. Be back right quick. BRB. Sharpener is secured. Just going to sharpen it, and then this is way too sharpened, y'all. With this lip liner though, I feel like it's very, you know, affordable. Only $8. The only thing is like it do be like breaking, and I don't like that because like I keep having to buy this pencil over and over again because like it breaks very fast. Like you don't need this much sharpen, but we're going to just do it lightly. And yeah, but okay, like I was saying, in high school, in middle school, no, this mole really came my 8th grade year of schooling. So in 8th grade, I developed this mole, and then it followed me all throughout high school. It was much bigger than this, but yeah, over the years it has gotten smaller. But yeah, that's, I don't know if you guys like noticed this on my face, and I'm so sorry, so it's hard to talk while I'm doing my lips. But yeah, y'all let me know if you guys ever like notice this on my face. Like I want to know, because at first, you guys, I really didn't like it when I was younger, just because like it literally came out of nowhere, you know. And I wasn't insecure or anything. I just got used to it. And like I said, so my lips is done. And then, oh, like I said, I did get adjusted to it over these years, but this is the lip gloss that I use on my lips, like $5. If you guys know any great quality lip glosses that I can use, definitely let a sister know, you know. I would really appreciate it, because like my lips is like the most important thing on my face, and it's the biggest thing on my face. And when my lips is dry, like it actually hurts, you know. But let me put it close to so you guys can see. And I actually have a game night to go to in a couple more hours. It starts at 6, and my sister, she doesn't get soft till 6, so we'll arrive late. Guys, y'all, I am so excited to see my friend. I'm super excited to see him. Like, we haven't seen each other all week, and I really miss my friend, and I can't wait to see him tomorrow at church. We are serving tomorrow on the same teams, and I'm super excited to see him because it's been a week since we've last seen each other, and I miss my friend. If you're watching this, I miss you. So cute. Alright, I'm gonna put on a necklace and then BRB, okay? We are going to use this necklace that I got from Shein like 2 years ago. You gotta make it pop. Oh, this is way too cute. This is so adorable. Super duper adorable. I can't wait to wear this out like on a date or something. Your girl is dating or courting, shall I say. This man isn't just some random guy that I met, you know. I've known him over time, you know. I met him through my Christian organization, Family Navigator, and like we've known each other for like a year now, and we didn't really like get close to one another until like the end of the semester. But like all throughout this year, like we've had conversations like with him and my sister, and like I just got to know him through, you know, the conversations that was had around us in our circle, you know, like from Bible study. Like he's just so wise. It's like anything that he say, like when we were just friends, I would always just admire what he had to say during Bible studies. It would just always be so good. And I just love how like he treats his friends, how he treats women. He literally walks women to their car if no one else is, like if it's dark, like he's gonna walk you to your car, friend or not. Like that's just how sweet he is. And I've always like, and I'm gonna tell him this when I see him, like I've always admired that about like him and just men in general, like gentlemen who, like I don't have a car for one, but you know, gentlemen who do walk ladies to their cars when it's late at night or if it's dark and they don't have nobody else with them. Like that's such a gentleman move to do, because like, you know, about my safety, like although we're friends, like I really admired that about him, how he would walk girls to their car, and just how he overall spoke about God and how he just spoke about different topics, bro. Just he's a very wise man. And like in the back of my mind, I always thought to myself, and I asked God, like, God, this is what I desire in a man, like a man who's emotionally intelligent, a man who's aware of his feelings, that's just able to be vulnerable, a man that's just able to easily express himself without fear or, you know, like like I'm telling you guys. And I don't know, are we getting off topic? We are getting off topic. We're supposed to be doing our hair. We're supposed to be doing our hair. Anyways, I'm not liking like my boobies out like this. I'm gonna have to do something for the video, but I'm gonna stop talking to you just about love, and I'm gonna get started with my hair. I'm gonna figure out what hairstyle that I want to do. I don't know what style I want to do, but we're gonna see. Type. Sorry, I got type from my friend. I miss her. Okay, bye.